This is hopefully going to be a short video on antagonistic behavior on websites, in this case Wikipedia. Symmetrical behavior, unless absolutely mandatory, everything you do that involves going up, down, right, left, forward, or back in the world should be completely symmetrical. Except in video games where they want us to run backwards at a snail's pace no matter what, because I guess that tactic is bad for us. But anyway, I'll rant about Rust later. Here we go. This is a list or a table of some sort on Wikipedia. These are tables that, if you're not aware of it, have to have code in them to where you can arrange things, like I can change cartridge length, case length, bullet diameter. I was looking this up because I was literally just curious about something and opened up a page. Now it just says EN for English, wikipedia.org/wiki/list of handgun cartridges. I wonder if they ever could just remove the word wiki, except that also includes a link to, let's say, wiki talk or wiki index W, and their website is just a little bit not rational in my opinion, but okay. Aside from that, we should all agree that if I go down, let's say, this far on the page, highlight this like 35 caliber here, let's just do that, and scroll down through the other 35s. It should scroll when I get near the bottom of the page or beyond the bottom, right? Okay. And if I go up, it should do exactly the same behavior. And it doesn't. And if you make the mistake of simply highlighting here and just moving up, it jumps one full page in less than a second. This is behavior that's extremely non-symmetrical. If we go to the bottom of the page, it does this. It might even get stuck and doesn't want to scroll. This is highly asymmetrical behavior. If I have a page where I can go left to right by using a keyboard because it's too wide, I should be able to use the right and left keys on my cursor keys to do that. Let's see here. Can I move to sidebar? There we go. That'll make it a little too wide. No, it didn't. But anyway, it should be highly symmetrical, or at least not grossly asymmetrical. And I really do hate this behavior. But these are put in to make it easier. If I hover over that, it should bring up a picture of the Wikipedia article, which it sometimes does and sometimes doesn't. But then it should go away when I go away from it. Anyway, those hyper behaviors are aggravating when you're trying to do something like, let's go through all the 22 calibers. I wanted just the 22, thank you. So how do we fix it? At the end of the URL, you add in #useskin vector. That was the name of the original format that looks like this that people didn't like. People like me who didn't like the sidebar being filled up with basically the same crap all the time that I didn't absolutely need, had a problem with that. So instead of that, they made it to where you could hide it, but it still takes up the space on the left side. If I hit hide, it's still got the stupid wasted space. Wikipedia did not listen to us. But anyway, by using useskin vector, use the older format. So let's go down here. The tables are identical. They're just presented differently. Now I'm going to go from 307 down. And it stops. I didn't want that. Let's go from 307 up. It doesn't go up as fast. And let's see if I can control it. At what point does it start scrolling? It basically only starts scrolling if I go up pretty high, or I do a major change in movement. That keeps me from being able to do that by accident. That's the only reason I've altered this thing's behavior by doing that. Now I did it through a tamper monkey script. We're going to enable tamper monkey. And it's called vector layout for Wikipedia, and I can edit it, and hopefully it doesn't put up a bot. Yes, tamper monkey, a product used by geeks everywhere, now includes an AI bot when you're trying to do something and not wanting to be interfered with. Warning to everybody out there who writes programming software: if you include an AI bot and you don't make it an opt-in, you make everybody have to opt out, you've effectively picked a fight with every hacker on the planet. Congratulations, you're an idiot. All this does is it forces Wikipedia to use the old standard that worked just fine. And that way we get rid of this behavior. Now, only partially. It's using the older skin. You notice the older skin isn't ideal. It makes mistakes. It's not perfect. Its scrolling functions are crap at best, but at least I can make it work. But if I make it work, it's very asymmetrical in how much. Again, any asymmetry is bad. Making it to where scrolling down is harder than scrolling up, or any difference at all, is unexpected behavior. No reasonable person would assume that would happen. There's no reason for it. There may be some rationale or justification, but your average user doesn't have a reason for it, unless they state so. In which case, you could just make it to where we can pick that, or don't do that, and every web browser have its own features. Anyway, greasyfork.org/en for English, scripts, vector layout for Wikipedia. Force Wikipedia old theme is another name for it. Hopefully this was useful, and again, this was just me dealing with it, auto-scrolling, highlighting text in Wikipedia scrolls up too fast. And I like it. The person down here said, I don't know exactly what to say, I don't know what's causing it. I didn't know how to type it up either. And someone in here says really easily, the only time a chatbot comes in handy is it'll take something that you can't understand and try to analyze what you're saying and guess at a better way to ask the question. Asking good questions is half the battle in getting good answers. And unfortunately, I didn't know this one, but it was just Wikipedia doing it. So yeah, highlighting text, Wikipedia, scrolls fast up. That's what I typed in eventually, and I got this page here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And this is about how to force Wikipedia to use basically its old theme instead of the new theme, because the new theme caused a problem that shouldn't have been there. Goodbye.